I'm going to be showing you how to assemble this mechanical aperture. Nice little thing. Take some assembly. Let's go. Alright, the first thing you need to do is on this base piece, you need to sand the inside edges of these little bumps. 9 little bumps. Sand the inside of the edges where they face the inner hole. Just sand them down a little bit gently. You don't have to do it all the way, but I get a piece of sandpaper and start. One, you just want to take the inside edge off so that they don't catch the aperture blades when it's trying to open back up. I'm going to get that one a little more. Alright, and that's all of them, and we're just a little on that inside edge. Alright, the second, and this is a little difficult to do, we have this top piece, and it has these notches around the edge. We have the blades, and they have a hole, and they have a peg. We're going to take that peg, we're going to insert it into a notch, and hold the blade in place. We're just going to go around doing that. Now these next ones where this this notch is covered are hard for me to do on camera, but I'm going to switch position and try and do that. You just got to get them underneath the previous blade. The last one is the hardest. It tends to get stuck halfway. Alright. Now what we're going to do to try and make this easier, we're going to squish these guys in a little bit so that they're all a little tight and in smaller than that inner hole. Then we're going to take our this is our base piece, and we're going to look where the little notches are. We're going to sort of line them up, and we're going to gently press down. And get it in place. And we're going to take these blades and we're going to push them towards the edge. We're going to move our finger around. We're going to go and sort of wiggle and try and catch all the blades on the holes, and it should just close up in a nice circle like that if we've done it right. If not, go around the edge, wiggle again, but should close up in a nice circle like that. Don't close it too tight. It tends to pop, but that's a nice mechanical aperture.